Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. I like to look at the markets on Sunday evening because oftentimes I can find unique trading opportunities. For whatever strange reason, a lot of times Sunday presents some fairly nice trading opportunities. Now, several things I like to look for out of the gate are potential bullish or bearish divergences. And we can see here in the June Australian dollar, I'm actually looking at the continuous contract right now, but the June Australian dollar contract is the front month. We see that prices came down, took out the previous lows here from the previous several days, and then also formed a pattern that came very close to what we call a yellow-tipped doji. Now, from the bullish divergence standpoint, we have a lower price here than the previous lows, and then we have also a higher histogram indicator reading on the MQ momentum histogram directly below that. So that typically is a bullish indication of where prices are expected to go when you see the bullish divergence. But adding on top of that, the fact that we have a pattern that's very close to what we call a yellow-tipped doji, which is also bullish, creates a good environment or good opportunity for us to go long. And for a trade like this, what I like to do with the doji rules is to buy the open of the following bar and then risk immediately below the preceding bar. So in this case, I would have bought at the open, which would be 101.43, the opening of the falling bar, and then I would have placed my stop below the low here of the bar here that came close to forming the yellow tip doji, and that low is 101.28. So 101, essentially 101.43 minus 101.28, you're talking about really about 15 ticks, 15 pips or ticks plus of risks, not too terribly bad. And then you can see now that the prices never even came close to coming down to test that. So they've gone straight up here and began to rally here. And I think that we could see higher Australian dollar prices here over the upcoming days and weeks potentially, but certainly would like to see that the low from last week hold, and that low we'll see is, in fact, let me go ahead and pull up a weekly chart here. I'll pull up a daily chart actually. This low right here that was put in place on the 4th of March at 133. So I'd like to see that low remain intact, but I think all things considered, we could be looking at a nice situation. We did actually call out this as a yellow tip doji trade here on either a blog or a video several days ago, but this is a great opportunity as well. We might have actually broadcast that on Signal Feed, so if my memory is not correct there, I apologize for that. But that's the type of thing I like to look for again on Sunday night. I like to look for different patterns, bullish or bearish divergences, or possibly what we call value candlestick patterns as well, as those oftentimes can be excellent trades to kick the week off. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading.